Roofers repairing the roof of an old church discovered something so strange it made everyone on site turn pale. Mike Newman and Terry Miles were replacing the century-old slate tiles on the First Baptist Church when Mike noticed something unusual near the bell tower. A section of tiles looked slightly raised, like something was hidden underneath. Curious, he carefully pried them open. Beneath the tiles was a dark crawlspace, and inside it were 5 large burlap sacks, covered in thick dust as if they had been sitting there for decades. But the strange part was their weight. Each sack was incredibly heavy and sealed shut with old metal clasps. The workers lowered the mysterious bundles from the roof and called the church deacon, Mr. Allen, to take a look. He asked them to move the sacks into the church's records room. When Terry cut open the first clasp and pulled back the burlap, everyone in the room froze in shock, because what was inside those sacks was something no one expected to find hidden inside a church roof. Like if you want part 2.